It's gonna be a little bit of a different video, guys. We're gonna be doing a rear subframe install. Welcome to my garage. I stay in an apartment, so we're outside. We're making it work though. Alright guys, so you don't end up like me. There is, don't want to get my plate. There is a screw right here that you need to undo. Get that off, you should be able to take this out. Alright guys, so I went ahead and swapped everything over, and now it's just routing your wires back in and screwing the bolts in. I suggest once we get this lined up, we're gonna do the that middle Phillips head that connected to the plastic. We're gonna bolt that first so we can get that middle piece lined up, and then we'll go in for these. Now guys, I'm no mechanic. I don't know what torque spec is supposed to be, so just do it at your own will. The only things I did off camera were I torqued these down to 30 foot-pounds. I didn't torque these ones that your fairings connect to. I just did those hands over, just kind of tight and then a little extra nudge. That's pretty much it. My phone's gonna die, so I don't really know how much more I can record, but that's kind of it. All you're gonna do is just put your undersleeve fairing and then put the top on and plug in all your lights and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Super simple, very quick.